Got a few minutes and some scraps? Hey, it's Care. Welcome to my Take Out to Lake. Last minute Christmas goodie idea for ya. I finally found these little things at Walmart. My mom looked all over the county for them, finally found them at Walmart. What is it, you say? What is it? They are Christmas tags that open like books. Now, I showed you one not too long ago that I made with my miniatures. Scraps and bits and pieces from my little book. But I've been making more and more of them they're going to hang on Christmas gifts. And I thought perhaps they would keep them for ornaments afterward that they can hang on their tree. All I did was you can use scrap paper. I didn't feel like digging through my scraps, to be honest. I just grabbed from my paper stash that's just ever so handy. I grabbed a piece of ledger, a piece of iced coffee dyed paper, a piece of coffee dyed notebook paper, a vintage piece of just some kind of old paper. It's very, very brittle, and tore them in strips, measured approximately the size of my card, and used my ruler and tore a whole bunch of strips, and then tore them again so that they would be this size, and then folded them in half. There's 4 or 5 sheets per little notebook, and then all I did was staple them with a regular staple. You can hardly see because of the metallic, which is awesome. But they turned out so cute, and they're so easy. You can, I forgot to staple this one. Oh, well, there, you can see what it looks like. So I used that as my template, got my pages that size, folded, in this case, 4 sheets in half, and you can see they're not exact. I didn't get them exact at all. This paper is so brittle that I'm washi taping it before I staple it, because I'm afraid that it's just gonna come apart. It may come apart anyway, but not where I washi tape it. So take a piece about yay big. Gingerbread man's upside down. We can't have that. Oh yeah, it's already tearing in half where I folded it. So there. So I have my 4 sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets. You can do 4 or 5, a few more, whatever. You can put washi tape if it's tearing too. I put some pieces of washi in different spots. What I also did was alternated the pages order. So this one opens with ledger, this one opens with notebook paper, another one opens with the old piece, just to make them all look a little bit different. I got them in the order that I want them and situated where I want. Like this one I want a little bit further up, so it's centered a little bit. And who needs to be this fussy? They're little tiny projects. But that's what we do sometimes, right? And just get a little carried away. Put the crease in the crease of the card. Get your card nice and flat. And then make sure your pages are in there where you want them. Kind of got to get to know your stapler a little bit. Look to see where exactly the staple comes out. That's pretty close to the edge. It's about a 1/16 of an inch, if not less. Just that little bit. So right where the thing folds is where my staple comes out. So that's what I line it up. When I put my book in there, I line the corner where the metal folds with the fold of the card, and it's pretty spot on that fold mark. All staplers are a little bit different, so make sure to look at yours and kind of gauge it the best you can. And then give it another fold. Wags of holly. La 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 la. La 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 la. It's hanging out a little bit. I don't care. I think it adds to its charm. There you go. And now you can decorate it if you want. Put some stickers in, throw some washi, get your stamps out, or you can just leave it and let them fill it in. Like right there, that's really crumbling. I'm going to put another piece of washi on. I have some little gnomes. Some little gnome washi. Hey, little gnome washi, aren't they cute? They're so cute! So I'm going to cut a couple gnomes out. I'm going to lose a little gnome, but I'm good with that. Fold it over so I never have to look. Fold it over so I never have to look for the end of the washi tape or the painter's tape or the packer's tape. There. Well, now it's a little bit decorated. I should have moved this piece up, but I didn't, so there, that's how it works, and that's all right. Some of these, like this one had to and from in the back, but these don't. These are just blank. So you can put their name in the front, your name in the back if you want. You can sign the back however you want to do it if they're blank. Super easy, super fun way to add some whimsy to your gifts. Didn't take me any time at all really to put these together. Again, use your scraps or just take out some of your paper stash. You can also put washi here if you'd like to hide the staples. What do we have? Oh, this one's my favorite. I love this one. I don't think I've ever used this. Oh, yep, I did. I know I used it because look, it's all folded over. I don't have to look for the edge because it's just right there at the ready. That's all right. We'll put a couple more gnomes in. There. Just as cute as it can be. Easy peasy. Hang them on their gifts, and then ideally they use them as a Christmas ornament next year. So have some fun. Some last minute fun with tags. I just love them. I just love them all. Hope you're having a lovely, lovely crafty day and a festive and fun season. Make sure your beastlies are safe and warm, happy and healthy, and we'll see you again. P.S. On Friday, December 22nd, I'm going to do a flip through of some of my favorite Christmas books, and we'll just chit chat about books and whatnot. And what I'm telling you this is because I'm going to set it as a premiere, which means we can watch it together. I'll be there, kind of like live, but not really. The video won't be live, it'll be pre-recorded, but the chat will be live, and we can talk about Christmas books and how things are going for holiday preparations, etc., etc. I think it'll be great fun, and I hope you join me. Pencil it in, but I just think it'd be fun. So those of you who can participate, I'm thinking, I don't know, 6 o'clock Eastern time? Pencil it in. Plan to make yourself a cup of something yummy and get festive, and we'll talk about some beautiful Christmas books. Mate at the lake. Out for now.